guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosanna. So I know I have been talking about Lisa J and her BK Beauty brushes, which I have right over here. Thank you very much. Well, let me just first off give you a little bit of background about Lisa. Her name is Lisa J. She's on obviously on YouTube. She is or was a MAC makeup artist at then, and she had her children. She has great expertise, advice on makeup. She created this BK Beauty brush company, and she's such a lovely girl. I'm gonna say girl because she's in her 30s and I'm in my 50s, but I just absolutely love conversing with her. That's why I'm so in love with this community. I am brand new to making YouTubes, to makeup tutorials, and while I'm at it, I would love your support, and if you would love to support me, please subscribe to my channel, like, make comments, hit the bell, tell your friends, help a newbie out. I would absolutely love your support. But Lisa is a gem. She's just the BK Beauty. First of all, are initials of her daughters, but also there's she has a campaign about, you know, being kind, which she's just sweet and she's lovely. I will link a couple of her videos down below. She just did a collaboration with Annie P and Sherry from Graceful Beauty, which I love all three of them. Thank you, ladies, for always being so kind to me. I have reached out to them personally on the site, just about questions and stuff about how do you start, light and camera, what do you do? But they've always been so sweet and answered me, just so kind people. But anyway, I just wanted to just share that quick little background about Lisa. She is the sweetest, most kind. I don't even know her, but just listening to her, her voice is sweet. She's kind. She, especially in these moments of uncertainty, she just, I know it's silly, but like watching her videos just keeps me so at ease. Just getting onto that subject, I know that for some that these makeup tutorials, they're so trivial and some people think they're stupid and why would you guys do that and all that stuff. Let me just preface that I am an operating nurse by trade. I have worked, I've been in the field over 20 years, and I get caught really between, of course, being at work, doing the best I can. I love my patients. I am an 110% utmost patient advocate. Also for my fellow colleagues, I am an advocate for nurses. And then I get caught like there and wanted to be home with my family. Am I bringing things home to my family? It is a real struggle, but I just want you to know that I am doing my best. I think we are all doing our best, and continuing to do these tutorials, as trivial as they are, you know, brings some peace. It brings some peace to my mind, to my soul, and brings peace and harmony into my household. I don't want to get overwhelmed. I don't want to be reactive. So anyway, I wanted to thank you, Lisa, personally. I know we've texted or instant messaged back and forth, and these are tough times, but I just wanted to put a shout out there that this is just a distraction. We're just having fun. Anything to just keep your brain at peace just for a minute. But anyway, that's enough of my ranting. This is what I came to tell you. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know, I have purchased Lisa's brushes, obviously, before. And she did come out with an essential line brush kit. I had a few of my face brushes that I still like and still use, so I just picked up a few of her face brushes. But girl, I'm not a professional, okay? I have a hard time with eyeshadow. Like shimmer, no shimmer, what goes with our age group, do you use glitter, don't you use glitter, how do you not like make your eyes droop, sag, how do you put them, I don't freaking know. So, but you know, who cares, a brush is a brush is a brush. Not really. Since I got her brushes, like I just think my application is so different, and it's so, I understand now like what these women, girls have been talking about, and brushes are so super important. But anyway, I grabbed her whole eyeshadow brush line from the Essentials, but these are the Precisions. We'll get to that in a minute. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know. So this is the 102. This is a large powder brush. It is so super soft. I almost like it. It's almost, in my opinion, a little bit too floppy, because I really didn't know at the time how to use it, but I do use it now. I put it in my pressed powder, which I use the number 7 translucent powder. It's so beautiful. I will link that powder down below, and I just swirl it, tap it, and just ever so. That's what I have on my face right now. It is so soft. So I have that one. The 106 is the foundation brush. It's kind of like, and I know all dirty because I just used them, but this kind of like roundish, kind of domey kind of tip to it. And I am a sponge wearer when I put my foundation on. Just recently, watching Lisa, I'm like, you know, in the application, I don't really, I'm usually like a medium coverage-ish, light to medium, but sometimes when I want to go full, I like her recommendations that, like with the sponge, of course, that we all know, it absorbs a lot of it, and it doesn't really give you, like, you have to keep on building it, is what I feel like. But with this, with a brush, it's more, I guess, concentrated. I still go over it with like a beauty blender just to tap out sometimes, like there's streaks and stuff. But you want full coverage out of a medium coverage foundation. This brush is amazing, so I absolutely love this. This bad boy right here is the number 104. It's a tapered brush. It's kind of like the same feel, but obviously this is more floppy and full. This I absolutely love. Like if I wanted to do like a little bit of a bronzer, sometimes I use it for my cheek. I like the tip of it. You could just get it like right over here if you want to. Sometimes I'll do it. Did I say bronzer? I don't remember. Or yes, I did, for the bronzer. Or sometimes, like if I feel like this one's just not working out for me right now, I will use this to put my finishing powder on, which I love. These are amazing. I'm just gonna go through these real quick because, you know, I want to open up my Precision box. But so let me, I just went 1 through 5. I mean, 201 is the fluffy brush that I absolutely love. 201. 202, it's kind of like the same concept of the fluffy brush, but of course this, it's a legitimate fluffy brush. This one over here, like I love this tip. I get it right into my little, when I want to make my V right there, you could feel like right above your brow bone. I love it. It gets it right in there. It's a great brush. 102, 201, 202, 203. This is like your typical like shader brush right on the eyelid. It is so amazing. I absolutely love this brush. And then this brush, the 204, is the smudger, which is great. I actually use this to put underneath my eyebrow and underneath my lower lashes. That made me laugh because when I just said that, because when my older daughter was little, and of course, you know, you teach them how to say eyebrows, eyelashes, and I remember, of course, she would poke her eyeballs out. She's like, wow, eyelashes. But anyway, it just made me think about that when I said eyebrow. But anyway, so I absolutely love this one. And then the 205, which on her tutorial about describing these brushes, that's why I love these brushes. They are so versatile. She used this, the 205. You see how it's angled? It's so pretty. You see that? Yeah. She used it to put right underneath her eyebrow to put her highlight. And I was like, really? Because I used it to make my V and then blend it in. This is how great and amazing these versatile brushes are. I absolutely love it. The Precision ones. I just wanted to accessorize what I have. Now, these Precision brushes, obviously, exactly what the names stands for. These are just for precision kind of moves that you want to make. I'm going to open it right now. I didn't even open it. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, she always gives you like this little love note, which I absolutely love. Thank you for your order and support. I hope you love your new brushes as much as I love making them. XOXO Lisa. Passion for beauty, mission of kindness, luxurious performance. I'm going to leave her link down when she posted her essential brushes and the precisions, which just came out recently. But, you know, look how sweet and cute and packaged. Lovely. I'm going to open these up. I'm so excited. I just made a mess here, but I don't care. I'm so excited. So let me just see which ones. Like I said, I just wanted to add on to what I already have. This one right here is the 108, which is the Precision Powder Brush, which I absolutely, and they're just as beautiful and soft. I was like, I'm watching her. I love that she uses this to clean up, I don't want to mess them up, to clean up underneath her eyes, or to use this as a setting powder for underneath her eyes. You could use it to highlight with it. And I just wanted to show you the difference between, obviously, this, the 104, which is, let me see, the 104 is the tapered powder brush, and this, of course, is the 108, which is the Precision. I mean, obviously, this is more precise. I mean, how beautiful. I cannot not wait to use that. So I'm just gonna put that back because, you know, I'm not ready. So I got that. Then, of course, love it. I got the 207, which I have my notes right over here because, you know, I can't remember anything, which is the pencil blender, which I absolutely love. And what she said on her website is it's sort of kind of like, let me see what she said. Oh, that's right. It was sort of kind of like the smudger, but of course you can tell the difference. But this is like a more like, if you wanted to go more precise, like on your, to smudge out like some eyeliner, even underneath. I know this is a smudger, but this would be like more like, I don't want to say harsh, but it's like, it'll give you like a deeper color, where this will kind of blur it out. I'm so super excited to try this brush as well. I am so excited. And then this one is the 206, which is the blending shader. And again, this one is in conjunction with, let me just go find it, with the 203, which is also like a blending brush, but you could tell that this one is much bigger. And just so, in all around, if you wanted to use it as like a to pat on your eyelid, and then you wanted to blend it, and then you wanted to, this is like an all around. Did you like my description? And then this, and then you do that, you know what I mean. But this is just like in conjunction to like this, you could always use as just like a shader, and you could just pat it, where this, you could use it as a shader. You could use it as a blender. You could even use it to fluff it out. This is like an all around brush. So I got those 3 just to add on to my collection. But I want to say this, I sent a note out to BK Beauty, because this is my, you know, number 104 that I absolutely adore. But like lately, I want to like I'm gonna come close, like the glue kind of like unglued itself. And I just wanted to know if I could just do a home remedy. I was about to go Gorilla Glue this bad boy. I didn't even care. I just wanted to reach out to them to see if there was any kind of remedy. I mean, you could see, and it's kind of like wobbly. I was going to glue it myself. I'm not even going to lie. But let me tell you, their customer service, which was her husband, Paul, sent me another one, you know, to replace it. I mean, that was so gracious. I did not expect that. That's not what I wanted. I was just looking for like a remedy of like, what do you guys do? You know, but thank you so much, BK Beauty and Lisa and Paul, for replacing the 104. I was so upset. But anyway, they did send me a replacement. But I wanted to thank you for that. That was unnecessary. But, and that is it. I am so super excited. Thank you so much for watching my channel and for supporting me. I appreciate it. And thank you so much for Lisa. You are such an angel. Like I so enjoy having conversations with you. Your products are amazing. I cannot wait to dig into these as well. And of course, congratulations on your products. And thank you so much. You guys, these are tough times. Let's try and make light of things as much as we can. We really don't have a choice. I mean, you do have a choice, but I choose to be hopeful and to be of light and to be of service and to stay healthy, not only for myself, but for my family. And like I said, we're all doing the best we can. I know there's a lot of memes and jokes out there. I mean, don't beat the crap out of each other. People, that's a stress releaser. I love to make jokes. I love to make people laugh. I mean, you know, that's another stress releaser. So when people make comments and stuff, you know, don't get crazy. People are doing the best we can, and some people freak out, some people cry, some people make jokes. We're all doing our best to cope. Just keep that in mind next time you want to take things personal and you want to attack people. We're all doing the best we can. But on that note, thank you so much. Stay healthy, love each other, watch out for one another, from a distance, of course. And thank you again to BK Beauty and these beautiful brushes. And I look forward to befriending anyone out there who wants to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Be good to each other, love each other, and you guys have a great day. Bye.